You're right, guys, and welcome back to Peninsula Painting Projects. How are we all doing? So don't forget, I've got a Facebook group called Peninsula Hobby and Chill. So if you want to come down there, join the group, share all your hobby progress, let us know how you're getting on with your Conquest armies, or army if you're only collecting one. So in this video, I'm going to have a little look at the ring binder that Hatchet has sent me, a part of the subscription perks. Now the box has finally arrived. It's finally here. Only 3 weeks late, but hey ho, that's life. So we're gonna have a little look at the ring binder. I'm actually quite intrigued to see how good it is, whether it's solid quality, how much it's gonna hold, and what designs are within it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in a minute. Nice one, guys. Try. So I've just removed these from the box, guys, and as you can see, we've got issue 8, issue 7, issue 6, and issue 9, and issue 10. Now with this one, we will take a little look at this on another day. I'll try and get it uploaded for next Wednesday, hopefully. So we're going to have a little further in-depth look at that. I'll pop that back in the box. As for all these, I know I was moaning about the Poxwalkers. Looks like I've got some more. Obviously, I have subscribed, but I was unsure whether to cancel the subscription or not, or keep it going. But up to now, I'm 3 weeks. Well, I was 3 weeks behind. Now, with having the issue 10, I'm now a week in advance. But then, once next Wednesday comes, I'm return back to being 3 weeks behind. I think it might even be 4 weeks behind. But anyway, that's my decision to stay subscribed. It's my own problem. I'm still unsure whether to cancel my subscription, to be honest. But it's just one of them at the moment. So obviously, Agrax, Earthshade, and Null and Oil. You know, who can have too much washes? Before I bought the issue 7 when this came out, I literally ran out of Null and Oil. Still got in the other pot. I've still got a bit of Agrax. Let's have a little look. Yeah, that's my Agrax here. So try and get that glare. It's about up to there if you can see it without this glare. So obviously I needed more, and we go through these like water, don't we? And then as for the Librarian, the other week I can't remember how many I bought. I think I bought 2, but I'm gonna use one for my Space Wolves, one for my Primaris force from Conquest, which I'm still undecided about, and then I'll have a spare one then as well if I, wanted to do that in the future. But this is what we came to see. Remove that. Might have to remove this now. So now with this, let's have a little look at it. This is one of the main reasons why I subscribed, because I thought, what better way to showcase all these magazines in this nice handy dandy folder. Now the artwork seems very nice. That's what the side looks like, which is the 8th edition like motif, really, isn't it? Half Primaris, half Death Guard. Here's the back. We've got a disgustingly resilient Death Guard Plague Marine on the back, and then on the front we've got our Ultramarines Primaris. Now, what I did notice, we've got these separators. Now, I didn't realise, are they wanting us to basically, in the magazine, for example, if we go to the magazine, are they wanting us to separate them basically? So obviously the tutorials go in the play section. Obviously the painting section, all these go in there. Now that would be quite interesting to do that, but I'm not going to do that. I just want all the issues to be in the same order together. So I'll probably just not have that. But as I said, the artwork's pretty nice. It does seem quite durable. Oh, look at that. It's got the Imperius Dominatus there. All the little motifs on the side, the logos, and then a bit of a blurb there. So I am happy with this. And like I said, guys, you got this free of charge just by subscribing. So the only cost that it's cost me is the fact that I'm paying the price of my sanity for waiting for these so long. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to crack this open right now. Let's move that out of the way. And then I'm going to put some of these in just to see what they look like. We've got issue 1, issue 2, issue 3. Now for me, I think this is another good thing because obviously you could actually have this in, you know, your gaming area or whatnot, and people who are new to it can come over and have a good little read. You can chill out, grab a brew, grab a soft drink, and sit there and chill out and read and learn about the game. Issue 8. So guys, have any of you subscribed? Let me know. Let me know what you think of this binder. Do you think it's worth even having this? A lot of people saying that they're just going to get normal plain ones from the shop and just throw them in there. But I like it. I think it looks pretty cool. And that's going to go on my shelf. It's going to go on my shelf like that. And it's going to look pretty fantastic. Nice one, guys. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you soon. Ciao.